Good morning, Judy from Thistledew Creations here. I'm eager to get crafting. It's Sunday morning. I slept in a little and then I had a couple of coffees while I watched the end of a movie that I couldn't quite make the end of last night. And then before I started to craft today, I wanted to do this quick little haul, and it's a mashup of Dollarama, Dollar Tree, and thrifting over the last couple of days. So starting off with these shiny metallic watercolors that I picked up at Dollarama the other day for $2 a package. They had these two different color selections, so I got both of them because I figure if I don't, I'm going to be wishing I had more colors when I get playing with them. So there's a copper, bronze, pewter, a couple of yellows, a saffron yellow and a champagne gold, and then an eggshell, which is a white, and then pearl white, which is a little different. It's whiter than the eggshell, and ivory, which it's hard to tell, but it doesn't look much different from the eggshell. It must be slightly different. And then misty lilac, bubblegum pink, tangerine, and seafoam green. So I can see myself having a lot of fun with these. And then I have been still focusing on finding new and unique Halloween and fall items. So I found these napkins for Halloween. Nice little eerie scene. 24 napkins for, these were from Dollar Tree, I believe. Yeah, Greenbrier, Dollar Tree, so $1.50 probably. And then these bones were also from Dollar Tree yesterday. And I can't wait to show you what I'm going to make with these. So stay tuned for my Halloween playlist. I got another package of these bags because I have been doing some fussy cutting out of them. And so I've used almost an entire package just for fussy cuts. And now I wanted to also have some bags. So I got a package of those, another package of those, and there are 6 bags for $2.25. They're double-sided, so if you are using them for fussy cutting, you get quite a few fussy cuts out of each bag. And then these little treat boxes that have this cat on the top. And I thought that the cat would be cool for ATCs. It's about the right size. I thought I had my ATC. Yeah, I do. Right there. So yeah, I can put the cat on an ATC if I fussy cut it. If I do it off to one side, I can get the side of the moon too. And then I just got to figure out what color background to do. Maybe black with stars or something. And then I could still use the scene on the box as well. It's like spooky graveyard and trees and bats. It says Happy Halloween. So I could still use that as well. And I'm not sure, there's more of the Halloween scenes than there are of the cats, but I think I can get a lot of use out of that. So I grabbed a package of those. And I had used up a whole package of these felt pumpkins. So 15 pieces for $1.25. I found a few cute ways to use them, including on these Halloween clusters that I'm making for a swap. And then I think I did some ATCs with them. I can't really remember at the moment. So I picked up more of those because I figure, they're going to be gone soon and I'll maybe want a few more. And then these are place cards. I'm kind of curious to see what they're like. They're pumpkins and leaves place cards for Thanksgiving. I would assume these are for. And there's 20 in a bag for $1.25 from Dollarama. So they're two-sided. I guess it's like a little, I'm assuming, yeah, it's a fold out. So you get one full leaf and the other leaf has the tip off of it, but you could probably still find a way to use that in a collage. So that's the reason I got these. I always like this too, where you have to say what you're thankful for at Thanksgiving. I always used to make my family do that and they would groan. And then the pumpkin ones, I'm assuming, are very similar. I'm marking my toppers here, but I've got quite a collection of them at the moment. So I am thankful for, again. And on this one, you're getting about the same for each pumpkin. One, like you might have to cut it creatively to get a full stem and out of one, and then the other one, the stem would be cut off, but you can still round the top of it. And so I thought those would be great for a few more bits of fall ephemera that I want to work on. And I don't expect to use these all up this year. I will put them in my Halloween and fall box. I might have to start a Halloween box and a fall box because I am getting a bigger collection now. But I'll figure that out sort of when I'm packing things up for the season. And then, so that's all the, oh no, this is the last Dollar Tree item. I got some of these when I was thrifting. And now that I see where they came from, I think I paid too much for them at the thrift store. 3 of them for $2 from Dollarama. So I really enjoy them because they will stack. So I can put some fussy cuts in the bottom and put a label on the front and stack another bunch of fussy cuts on top of them. So similar to the way I'm using the clear plastic meat trays, these, because they will stack as well. But just in my favorite color. So I didn't realize that they were at the Dollarama, so I grabbed them when I saw them. And then yesterday we actually went wedding dress shopping with my niece, and the wedding dress store was right beside a Vinnie's. So before and after the wedding dress shopping, we went thrifting. And obviously my niece is getting married, so when I saw these bridal shower invites, I had to grab them because my sister and I will probably want to have her a shower. Her girlfriends are going to probably have her a shower. But I thought these would be cute invites. But what I want to do, whether they're for the invites or just for fun, I want to make her a lace skirt out of either doilies and or real lace, like layered up. Like a Southern Belle style skirt. And so they were doing that a lot last winter on different, you'd cut out a picture of a woman out of a magazine and you would add the skirt on. So that I was thinking I would do the same thing with these. And even if I have it so that lifts up for the party invitation, I think that would be cute. So I picked those up. There was quite a few of them in a package for $1.95, plenty for the amount of guests we would want to have. And then I picked up another deck of cards. So Wanda, if you're watching, I've got new cards. You've got new cards. We got something we can do again, I'm thinking, eventually, when we both have enough new stuff. So these ones were 2 different Christmas scenes. I like the old red truck in the snowy lane, and then the old Victorian house with people coming to visit. So, just missed the playing card decorating that I was doing, but with Christmas coming, I can do a whole batch of just Christmas ones. So that's fun. And I do like this kind of a scene for a Christmas scene. And then my sister picked up at Vinnie's a whole bag of barrettes, and she gave me a couple. She shoved a couple in my purse. I'm not even sure if this was all of them. I haven't cleaned out my purse completely. I just kind of reached in and felt for them. But there's these 2. So I think she got doubles of these in the bag. So she gave me one. She knows that's my favorite color. So I've got my hair really long now, so I need different ways to put it up. And then I got these spooky stencil cards, $2.95. They're regular $12.50. Originally $5.99 pounds, so 6 pounds, which is about $12.50. I think that's pretty equivalent. So I got a good deal on them, and there's quite a few. And I am doing Halloween ephemera right now. So I thought when I saw what they were, so there's the tree one, there's an owl one, a broom and a hat, the cauldron. So what I'm thinking, if you're not with me yet in my thought process, is shaker cards. So I would put plastic on the front somehow, and then put glitter and small, tiny, I've got thousands of seed beads. So I can put glitter, seed beads, sequins. And in this one, I would probably do all different shades of greens to make it look like the witch's brew. And then put more plastic on the back. And then it's a shaker card. And I may add some little swatches up here that you can write on just to make it a functional thing. But I think that would be something that you wouldn't necessarily want to write on. It's just for fun. So we got a castle, a bat, a pumpkin, potions. Those will be fun because I can do the 3 colors. And then a vampire and a ghost and a spider and a wolf. So that could even be for other themes other than Halloween. The rat, the witch, the moon and stars, so celestial, and the cat. So I can't wait to do that project. I've got a bunch of plastic in one of my recent swaps that I wasn't really quite sure what I was going to do with it, but now I know. So that was it. I want to get that quick little haul out of the way so that I can get crafting. And I think I'll turn the camera on if hubby's outside. And if he comes in, I'll just prepare some stuff to film next week. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little quick haul, and get out there and get it before it's gone if you want it. And I can't wait. I'm really excited to show you what I'm going to do with these, because everyone knows that I'm into paper crafting. So this is kind of 3-dimensional for paper crafting, but you'll see. It'll be in my October videos, in my Halloween playlist. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Do share the video, please, with your friends that you think might enjoy it. And most of all, have a great day.